Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Jane Tintero. I'm 48 years old. I'm married. I'm three kids, all boys, and 25, 16, and 12.
What is your education?
And high school graduate only.
Okay, what are your work experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper?
I'm experienced in Saudi Arabia and all around domestic helper. In my employer's baby is 5 babies.
Okay, what are the ages of the kids?
20, 16, 12, and 6, and newborn baby.
So in Hong Kong, are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes,
Okay, do you know how to check if the baby is crying? What will you do? Oh,
in a feed milk, in the chick diaper, in the temperature.
okay. So what is your personal interest? How can you describe yourself?
My interest in education, my children, and my another expenses. In family financially is and my mother is my expenses, my mother. Support my parents and my expenses, and I'm honest and hardworking. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.